Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this video I'll explain how you can use WhatsApp Turbo Filter to filter and generate leads for your call center's marketing campaigns. What you can do with this filter is that you provide it a series of phone numbers and it filters it to extract the ones having WhatsApp accounts on them. So first of all, you need a license for this, and if you want to buy 1 year or 6 months license for this software, you can contact us on our WhatsApp or you can visit our website. Everything is given in the description. So once your software is activated, you have to log into WhatsApp to be able to filter WhatsApp numbers. So it's crucial to have a WhatsApp account with which you can filter. I'll simply log in my WhatsApp account, scanning this QR code. Once your WhatsApp account is loaded, you have to either select a file with the numbers or you can generate your own. For now, we will generate our own numbers. I'll generate 2000 numbers. And now I'll cut this file and I'll paste it in a folder on my desktop. Okay. Now come back to WhatsApp filter, select folder and select the folder in which you kept that file. Then start filter. It took 13 seconds to filter 2000 numbers and we have got 256 valid WhatsApp numbers and 1744 invalid or non-exist WhatsApp numbers. Now we can export both of these if we need both of them, otherwise you can just export the valid ones. And now we have a file with the valid WhatsApp accounts on that. So this is how you can filter using this software. If you want to buy single PC license or reseller panel of WhatsApp Turbo Filter, you can contact us on our given details. Thank you so much. Take care.